Hi friends, I am Ridoy back with another video and welcome to my channel Be The Logical, and today I am going to show you another quick interesting unboxing of some of my power banks which I ordered from Amazon. You can see this one, the packaging come itself, and this is got yesterday, so I just love to open up this one in front of all of you. And this one is a little bit maybe the power bank which I ordered from Amazon. This is the 2000 mAh maybe power bank from Intex. This is the small carry something so here you can see this one, the packaging itself, and nothing. So here you can see this one, the packaging itself. So this is the Intex power bank, and this is the model number. You can see this one, IT-PBB and 2K mobile battery charger, and this is the 2000 mAh battery and plug and play. I don't know this is the new one or used one because the packaging is a little bit damaged as something so on and something so on. You can charge your mobile phones, MP3 player, MP4, and specification you can see this one. The input of this one is 5 volt and 1 ampere current provided, and maximum output of this one 5 volt and 1 ampere, and life cycle is 500 times you can. So plug and play built in. So weight of this one maybe 85 or 100 gram, maybe net weight 75 grams. So little bit I just love to open up this one. So here you can see this one, the packaging itself. So the packaging is really nice. You can see this one, and the battery looks very stunning, I must say. So weight little bit 100 grams maybe or so on, and the cable is also present, and maybe this one is a used one or not, I don't know, but there is a little bit dent present in this one. So the battery looks good. You can see this one, and I just love to test this one, and there is some dent is also present. You can see this one. I don't know this is a used one or not, but this one is the Amazon assured product and with Amazon Prime delivery. So I just love to test this one in my phone, another one. So just little bit take time and something so on, and there is a one port present and there is a charging port. So little bit weight one, and this is a compact one whoever you can just emergency uses, but I didn't recommend this one for anyone who use this one power bank vigorously, because this one is not survive this one. So I just love to test this one. So just okay, here you can see this one, the charging is already done. So this is the charge already, so the charging point is already gone. So this is a good one, plug and play. So there is nothing mentioned on this one how to on or something so on. And when the power is up, you can see this one, there is some little bit blue color blinking here. I will little bit deeper, you can see this one. So a blue color indicator is indicated, thus the power is already supplied, something so on. And when the power is little bit low, maybe a red color is present also. So if you wish to buy this product, I will put the product buying links in the description section. You can use these links to buy this product in the best deal, and I hope this will be very helpful for a little bit lower phone like this one, and who didn't carry a big bulk power bank which is approx weight 500 or 400 or 600 grams. I used an ambient power bank of 10,000 mAh which is approx weight is 300 to 400 grams. This is a little bit weighty one, but this one is a compact one, and this can be charged your 4000 mAh battery little bit 50% or something so on. So this is up to this video. If you have any doubt, any query, question regarding this video and regarding this product, you can feel free ask me in the comment section. I will love to clarify all of your queries. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, bye, catch you soon in my next session. Please subscribe me, share me, promote me, and this is absolutely free, and it will be helpful for my social causes.